Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Texas and Company and you're watching Let's Click. In this video, we will talk about Consumer Act and how to file a complaint under Consumer Code in Consumer Code. We all know that the Consumer Protection Act 2019 was enacted to protect consumers from unfair contract, unfair trade practices, restrictive trade practices, etc. So, a consumer complaint can be filed by one or more consumers, any registered voluntary consumer association, the central, state, or state government. Uh, how to file a complaint? You need to know basic things first. For that, a consumer complaint can be made either in a written manner or in electronic mode to the district collector, or the commissioner of regional office or the central authority. In the case of violation of consumer rights, a complainant can approach the district forum or state commission or the national commission depending upon their jurisdiction of that amount of that case. So the first step before filing a consumer complaint is to determine the territorial and pecuniary jurisdiction of the complaint. A consumer complaint can be filed in district forum if the claims for goods and services do not exceed rupees 1 crore, and if it exceeds 1 crore and is below 10 crore, then you can file a consumer complaint in the state commission, and if it is above or exceeds 10 crore, then you can file a complaint in the national commission. The next step requires serving a legal or personal notice to the opposite party. What is any fees for consumer complaint? So yes, if your case is value up to rupees 5 lakh, then you don't need to pay any fees. But if it is above 5 lakh or below 10 lakh, that is between 5 to 10 lakh, then you need to pay rupees 200 with that. And if the case value exceeding 10 lakh, then it is rupees 400. What is the process to file a consumer complaint in the district forum? So, a consumer complaint, as I stated earlier, can be filed made in writing in the district forum as well. The complaint can be written on a plain paper and filed by the consumer himself or through an advocate. The complaint should be notarized through a registered or regular post. It should be filed within 2 years of the date. This is important. It must be filed within 2 years of the date on which the dispute arose. The complainant is required to file 4 copies of the complaint and additional copies for each opposite party. Then the consumer complaint shall include the details of the complainant and the opposite party along with the particulars of the dispute and the relief to be sought. Then it is not necessary to approach an advocate to file a consumer complaint, and the fee shall be paid in demand draft to the President Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum. What are the details that need to be included in the complaint? Basically, the name and address of the complainant and the opposite party, the date on which the goods were purchased or services availed, details of such goods and services, and the amount paid for the same. Then the subject matter of the complaint, whether it was an unfair trade practice or defective goods were supplied, deficiency in service provided, etc. Then the bills and receipts of the concerned product or services should be attached with that. Relief to be sought under this act. What is the relief that you are asking or praying from the forum? Then signature of the complainant or his authorized agent. So this was all about the process of filing a consumer complaint in the district forum. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.